Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Paradise Petal flower and grow a garden. Okay, to get this flower guys, I recommend you to complete the prehistoric quest. I'm going to go to this location and I'm going to go to the quest here. Wait, okay. And I'm going to click on show me the quest, and as you can see guys that there is one quest which can give us the ancient seed pack, this one, and I have already completed the quest, so I have already gotten this ancient seed pack. Okay, and when you get the ancient seed pack, you will have a chance to get this Paradise Petal flower. Okay, I'm going to open up my seed pack. Right. Okay, this one, ancient seed pack, and I'm going to open it. Okay, and let's see what we got here. Okay, I got this Paradise Petal flower. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this Paradise Petal flower and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.